Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cute. A watering pot with colorful tulip flowers blooming from it. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your black marker and let's begin. Let's start by drawing the watering pot. Now draw the body of the pot, a round rectangle shape, just like a cup. Next, let's draw the nozzle on the left side. Draw a tube going out, and then a circle for the spray head. Now on the right side, let's add a handle like a big letter C. That's how we hold the pot to water our flowers. Let's draw a cute little flower design on the body of the pot. So adorable! Now let's add some leaves coming out of the pot. Draw 5 big curved leaves sticking out. And finally, draw 3 tulip flowers growing out from those leaves. One in the middle and one on each side.
La da 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 dee.
Each tulip has 3 petals like a crown. Nice job, everyone! Our tulip and watering pot drawing is ready. Now let's go over the lines again and make everything bold and sharp. This will really make our drawing pop. Awesome! Yay! Now it's time to color. Take out your color pens. Here are the colors we'll use. Purple color. Wow! Pink color. Yellow color. Light green color. Green color. Blue color. Orange color. Brown color. Another shade of brown color.
La da 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 dee.
Whoa! That looks amazing! You did a fantastic job drawing and coloring your tulip watering pot. If you had fun, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. And we'll see you in the next fun drawing video. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.